Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automate your tasks with Zapier. First, all you need to do is create an account, and once you create an account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. From here, you can type what you would like to automate using the AI that they have. However, do be aware it's in beta version, so it still may be a bit buggy here and there. Or you can simply click up here on top left to click create, and then you can create whatever you'd like. I will pick, for example, Zaps, which is just automated workflows. Now that I'm on the automated workflow, or as Zapier calls it, a Zap, I need to select a trigger. I'll choose, for example, Google Drive. And from here, I can then select what the trigger will be. So, for example, a new file. If I add a new file, there will be an action that happens. So let's say we add a new file to a Google Drive and then click on continue. I would then need to log into the account. I can then select an action. We'll say, for example, maybe an email. So from here, we can put, for example, send the email, and it'll ask me to log in the email. From there, I can then select the action and type in, for example, what email it should create, and then I can test it from there. Then, whenever you're done, you can simply click on publish, and that's it. And you'll have an automated workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.